Good morning, my lovelies. Welcome back to another amazing video. Today, San Pal 20 is super proud to present another Salvadorian dish called Arroz Aguado con Chipilin. So let's begin. We're going to start off this recipe by using 1.5 pounds of pork. We're going to roughly chop this pork into chunks, and then we're going to add it to a big pot of water. This pot, give or take, has about 2 liters. Now, as you can see, while the pork starts to boil, there's some sort of foam-like consistency that's going to float on top. And what we're going to do is we're going to scrape all of that. So that's just basically blood and some other stuff that we are not going to eat and that we don't want in our soup. So we're going to use a big spoon and scrape as much as we can. I'm also going to add some garlic, about half a head. And then I'm going to start adding my vegetables, which is going to be roughly chopped celery, green peppers, tomatoes, and an onion. We're going to add all of that in, and we're going to continue to boil until our pork becomes nice, soft, and tender. I'm running the fork test here. As you can see, I've inserted my fork and it has gone in and come out softly. So that means that the pork is ready. Now I'm going to add my star ingredient, las hojitas de chipilin, or the chipilin leaves that have been pre-washed. And I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of uncooked rice and a sachet of chicken bouillon. I'm gonna give this a good stir, making sure that everything is nicely mixed, and we're gonna continue to cook until the rice is ready. Finally, we're gonna add a good big pinch of salt, and we're gonna mix this all together and continue to wait until our rice is ready. So after a couple of minutes, we're gonna check and see if our rice is ready, and yes, it is. We're gonna give it a final stir, and then it's gonna be ready to serve. Here we are serving our delicious Arroz Aguado con Chipilin. Voila! So I want to thank everybody for watching this amazing video today. Please remember to subscribe, and I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye-bye!